guys, welcome once again. This is the Love Surgeon. Today we're going to be talking about 5 massive secrets that ladies, pretty, gorgeously looking ladies, hide from men. And I know you want to know these secrets because, of course, every guy wants to date the most beautiful girl around, right? Now, welcome back. This is still the Love Surgeon. Don't forget, to get more videos, you need to press the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you get the pop-up whenever the next video is up. Right? Now, straight into secret number 1. Secret number 1 is that very pretty ladies, gorgeously looking ladies, high-class ladies, they act bitchy. Why do they act bitchy? They act bitchy because they want to use it as a tool to sieve away the weak from the strong guys. Of course, they are very pretty and gorgeous, so there's a whole lot of guys, tons of guys approaching them on daily basis, and of course you don't expect them to date everyone that comes their way. So what they do is that they have developed strategy to do what? To sieve the weak from the strong, thereby limiting the circle of friends that they have, right? So what they do is that they act bitchy. Now, how do they act bitchy? What is this bitchy attitude we're talking about? This bitchy attitude is that they act disrespectful. Do you understand? When you call them and talk to whenever they see you, and sometimes they act as if they don't even know, even though they've met you before. So, okay, these attitudes are what? Bitchy attitude, and they use it to do what? To save guys away, especially the weak from the strong. Now, knowing this very secret from the Love Surgeon helps you to do what? To be patient enough and stand your ground and keep what? The chase on, because you might just be that lucky guy for her, but if you're not strong enough to withstand this bitchy attitude, sorry, that's how you're gonna lose getting that pretty lady of yours. All right, now secret number 2. Secret number 2 is that every single lady wants to be approached. Yes, they're acting bitchy. Yeah, you don't call them, don't call me, they are snubbing you, all this kind of stuff. But the truth is that they want to be approached. Have you asked yourself, why is it that ladies generally take so much time in trying to do what? To get themselves dressed up before stepping out of their house? Have you imagined why? Or ask yourself, why is it that they take a whole lot of time and they are almost always confused in picking out what? A particular dress for a particular occasion or stepping out? It's because they want to attract you, not just what? With their pretty face in terms of makeup, but also with their dressing. Now, they want to attract you because they want you to approach. Okay, every lady wants to be approached. So whether you see her frowning on the streets or carrying her face like one rock, that was beaten by rain, all this kind of stuff, is looking quite ugly, all this kind of stuff, that wow, it seems she's in a bad mood, she still wants to be approached. Do you understand me? They want you to approach them. That's secret number 2. Secret number 3 is that yes, they are very pretty and they are gorgeous, and it's expected that this particular lady wants guys that are what? That are muscular, or guys that are wealthy, or guys that are stupendously rich, guys with cars, Range Rovers, Lexus, Benz, and others. But the truth is that they don't have a particular type. That's the secret number 3 you need to know. They don't have a particular type. All right, they don't. Yes, there are some ladies, let's say 5 to 10%, not even up to 10, that actually have told themselves, I want a very rich man. I can't date someone who is poor. I want someone who is at least comfortable, all this kind of stuff, a particular physique. I need a tall guy per se. But guess what? They are 100% open to anyone who can stimulate attraction. Do you understand me? And who is what? Confident. So they need the guy that is what? That is confident. The moment you have your confidence and you can stimulate attraction in them, forget about what they ask or what they want, or they say, okay, they want this particular guy, they want the rich guy, they have this type of guy. No, ladies generally don't have a specific type. Provided you can stimulate attraction with your confident approach, then you are good to go. That's just what they want. Stimulate attraction. And don't forget, from my previous video, I told you that attraction is what? Not logical, it's what? Is emotional. It's emotional. So if you can get into our emotions and stimulate those emotions and bring it up, then you are good to go. All right, now secret number 4, it's a quick one we are doing today. Secret number 4 is that they are very much conscious of themselves, how they look, how their body shape, their body figure, their facial expressions and everything, how it looks. They are 100% more conscious of it than you. In other words, they also have some level of what insecurity. Now, these questions they ask themselves is this: is my breast big enough? Do I have the right curves? Am I that pretty? Wow. Do I have like the right buttocks? Then Sammy, is my ass big enough? All this kind of stuff. Am I that pretty? Am I pretty enough? This kind of stuff. So they are actually what? They actually have some level of what insecurity. So you as the guy should not be approaching with some level of insecurity. You should be confident because they actually don't have that confidence. Do you understand? They act bitchy or something, doesn't mean they're actually confident about their appearance, because there are so many pretty ladies out there. Now you now see them asking themselves, am I good enough for him? All this kind of stuff like that. So all you just need to do is to make your move. Plus or minus, you hear yes or no. You move on. Alright? So secret number 4 is that they are self-conscious, just like you. So don't think about it too much. You just make your move. Secret number 5 is that they don't have good options out there. Yes, they don't have good options. What I mean by that is that yes, there are tons of guys, okay, approaching, but then with the bitchy attitude, do you understand me, and other things in place, very few guys can withstand these attitude that they put up. Very few guys can live up to the standard. And among these few guys, how many of them are confident enough to do it to stimulate attraction? So they really don't have good options out there. So you don't see yourself as not being man enough or not being in their class. You just might be the best option for her. So make your move today. Now, let's recap. Secret number 1 is that they act bitchy to save the weak from the strong. Secondly, they want to be approached. Reason why, they took a whole lot of time to dress up and make up. Secret number 3 is that they don't have a specific type. Just stimulate attraction. And attraction is emotional, it is not logical. Secret number 4, they have some level of what? Insecurity. So you don't need that as the man. Make your move. And finally, secret number 5 is that they don't have good options. You just might be that one for them, the best option that they have out there. So forget about the fact that so many people are approaching. Make your move, and you know that yes, you just might be the best option for her. Right? Don't forget, this is still the Love Surgeon. When it comes to matters of the heart, we all react differently regardless of the general principles. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you get the pop-up when the next video is up. See you in the next video. Thank you.